Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So look, today I trained shoulders and arms. So I've already done arms at this point and I was about to do shoulder press. For shoulder press I was here doing 40 kilos, trying to go all the way up, all the way down, really squeezing my shoulders at the top and coming down slow. Squeezing at the top, coming down slow. It's very important that you control the eccentric, the lower phase, the lower portion, because that's where all your muscle goes. So yeah, I did this for 40 kilos for about 10 reps. I did that for 3 sets. After that I went to my max, which was coming up. So these are the Captain America plates, but yeah, it was 20 kilos on each side, and I try to get as many as I can. Mind you, I trained chest and back yesterday, so my shoulders are a bit cooked. I try to go for the third one here, but I did 60 for 2 reps, which was not bad. Here I was doing rear delt flies. So I was actually trying to record this off the floor, and then someone just assisted me in recording. And then here I'm just doing rear delt flies, trying to go all the way to the back. Your rear delts are really small muscles, so you want to go light as possible, and you want to target you got to really target the inner portion. So here you can see I'm really trying to squeeze, going all the way down, and then all the way back, all the way down, all the way back, really squeezing, getting that contraction, squeezing as hard as possible. Guys, you have to be mindful of making sure you go all the way back in every set that you do, and then you're squeezing every single time, because that's what's going to give the maximal gain. And then here's a little sneak peek of my arm pump. So yeah, it was arms and then shoulders as well, a little bit. And yeah guys, that is